Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program and find a factorial of a number. Okay, so first of all you need to understand how to find factorial of a number, or what it means when we say factorial of a number, right. So the factorial of a number is the multiplication of each and every number till the given number except 0. What do you understand by this statement? All right. So when I say, for example, you need to find factorial of 3. Okay. For example, I will say factorial of 3. Okay. So what it means? It is telling factorial of a number is the multiplication of each and every number till the given number except 0. Multiplication of each and every number. It means it will start from 1 and till that number. Okay. So 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So your factorial of 3 is basically 3 into 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. Similarly, if you need to find factorial of 4, so what it will be? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which will be 24, right. 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24. Similarly, if you need to find for 5, okay, is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is equal to 120, right. So this is how you can find factorial of a number. So how we will do same thing through a program? Okay, how you will find factorial of a number through a Python program? We will see that. Okay. So first of all, what we will take? We will take one variable which is number. Okay, we will take it as num and we will assign some value. For example, we will try to find factorial of 4. Okay, that is what we have taken, right. We will see if the result is 24 or not. Okay, then again we will take another variable, we will say factorial. Okay, and we will assign 1 for now. Okay, factorial equal to 1. So we took two variable, one is number is 4 and factorial is 1. We will try to find factorial of number 4. Okay, so we will write a if condition. If number is lesser than 0. So in this case, what will happen? If number is lesser than 0, basically it is a negative number, right. So we will print factorial cannot be calculated. Factorial cannot be calculated for a negative number. Okay, because it is a negative number, right, less than 0. Similarly, we will say else if, okay, number is equal to 0. Okay. So in that case, what we will say? We will say print factorial of 0 is 1, because we know factorial of 0 is always 1. Okay. There is a mathematics behind it. You can Google and see why it is 1. Factorial of 0 is 1. Maybe I will explain in some different video. Okay, but you know that factorial of 0 is 1. Now what will say? Else, if number is not equal to 0, if number is not a negative number, if number is a basically positive number. So in that case, what will be the logic we will use, right? We will just write a for loop. For I in range, we will say basically it is starting from 1, right. So here you are seeing it is starting from 1. So we will say the range will start from 1 and then we will say number plus 1. I will explain you what exactly we are trying to do here, right. So for I in range 1 to number plus 1, we will say factorial is equal to factorial into I. That is all. Okay. Then what you do? You just do a print factorial of or factorial is, you say factorial. Okay, comma, fine. So here we are giving number as 4. So let us see whether it is giving us correct result or not. See what it is giving, factorial is 24. This is what is expected, right. So for 5 it should be 120. Let us see, run factorial, we see 120. If we give number as -5, what it is giving? Run factorial, it is giving factorial cannot be calculated for a negative number. If we are giving factorial for a number 0, let us see what it is giving. Factorial of a 0 is 1. Okay, let us see if we are giving factorial for 3, what it is giving? It is giving 6. Okay, now let me explain how it is working, right? So that is more important. So first you take a number for which number you want to find a factorial. So that number you can give it here. Then first we are assigning factorial to 1. So we are telling the very first value is 1. We are taking two variable basically, one is number and one more is factorial, and we are assigning 1 to it. Okay, then we are writing two if conditions, basically if number is less than 0, if number is a negative number, in that case we are telling factorial cannot be calculated for negative numbers. If else if number is equal to 0, in that case factorial is 1. So these are the two straightforward conditions. Else if these two conditions not satisfied, so in this case, right, when the number is 3, when it will come here, number is less than 0, no, so this condition not match. It will come here, number is equal to 0, no, this condition is not matching, so it will come here. So what will happen here? For I in I is again another variable, I is basically here used for this for loop, for I in the range 1 to number plus 1. So the loop will start from 1 and it will end till number plus 1 means 4. So I range will be 1 to 4. Factorial is equal to factorial into I. So what is the I value? I value is equal to 1 now, right? I value is equal to 1 now. Here we have assigned, right? So what is the factorial value? Factorial value is equal to 1 and I value is equal to also 1 because the loop is started. So what will happen? 1 into 1 is equal to 1 now. Okay. Then again the loop will go up. Now what will be the value of I? I value will be 2, right? So it will come here. Factorial is equal to factorial into I. So now factorial value is equal to, because factorial value is equal to 1 here, and what is the I value? I value is 2 here. So here what will happen? 1 into 2, which will be equal to 2. Okay. Again the loop will go here, I value will be 3 now. So what will happen? It will come here, factorial equal to factorial. Now factorial value equal to 2. 2. What is the I value? I value is equal to 3, which is equal to 6. Now again the loop will go up. For I, what will be the I value? I value is equal to 4, right? So now the condition is not matching, because what we have told, we have given the range as 1 to 4, means it will take 1, 2, 3, right? First, second, third. Okay, it will not touch that 4 value, right? It will go till 1, 2, 3. So basically now I is not coming inside the range. Okay, that's why what is the final factor value? Final factor value is 6 here. That's why we are printing factorial is 6. Factorial is 6. Basically factorial of the number is 6 here. Okay. One more thing you can do here, instead of directly writing the number, you can give the input. So you can tell int input, okay, enter a number, okay, and now you execute. Let us say we will find factorial of 10. Okay, see it is giving as this value. Similarly, if you want to run it again and you want to put a smaller value, so let us put as 5 and see it is giving 120. Okay, so this is how you can find factorial of any number. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have liked it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, please do watch the complete Python program series. Okay, I have created a complete Python series where we have written lot of Python programs. Please do watch it and share it with your friends. Thank you guys. Bye bye.